Hello student, this is KK Bhatt here. Today, once again, I am going to describe the exercise of class 8 last lesson. Number of exercise is F. In the previous video, I have explained exercise A, B, C, D and E. Now, we are going to describe exercise F. See here, what is in F? See here in this exercise, we are going to use to add prefix. The prefix en is added to slave to make enslave. It means to make someone to a slave. Like that, here in exercise F, here are some words that mean catch or imprison. To which of these can you add the prefix en to make new word? Share your list in class. Check your answer in the dictionary. It means in this question, here are given few words, and we have to add a prefix. It means en. En हमको prefix यहाँ यूज करना है ताकि हम एक नए वर्ड्स को हम बना सकें. आप बॉक्सेस में देखो जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं वो है अरेस्ट है, कन्फाइन, चेन, थ्राल, केस, सर्किल, बाइंड, क्लोज, फेटर, फोल्ड, फ्रेम, कैप्चर. ये सारे वर्ड हैं जिनके साथ हमें प्रीफिक्स en ऐड करना है. अब हम देखते हैं अरेस्ट के साथ आप en नहीं लगा सकते, इसको लिप करो. कन्फाइन एक वर्ड है, इसके साथ भी हम en नहीं लगा सकते. अब है थ्राल एक ऐसा वर्ड है जिसके साथ हम en लगा सकते हैं. इट मीन्स थ्राल इंथ्राल हो सकता है. ऐसे केस इट मीन्स व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड. चेन इट मीन्स इन चेन. थ्राल अगर है तो इन थ्राल हो जाएगा. केस में en लगाओगे तो इन केस हो जाएगा. सर्किल में en लगाओगे तो सर्किल हो जाएगा. देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ en विथ बाइंड के साथ en नहीं लगाओगे. क्लोज इन क्लोज होता है, आप en लगा सकते हो. फेटर के साथ कोई वर्ड यूज़ नहीं करोगे. फोल्ड इन फोल्ड होता है, आप इन फोल्ड लगा सकते हो. इन फ्रेम के साथ इन फ्रेम कर सकते हो. एंड कैप्चर के साथ इन कैप्चर कर सकते हो. इट मीन्स कौन से ऐसे वर्ड हैं जिनके साथ en प्रीफिक्स लग सकता है. वर्ड है चेन, जो इन चेन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. थ्राल इन थ्राल में कन्वर्ट होगा. केस इन केस में कन्वर्ट होगा. सर्किल इन सर्किल में कन्वर्ट होगा. क्लोज इन क्लोज में कन्वर्ट होगा. फिर फोल्ड इन फोल्ड, फ्रेम इन फ्रेम एंड कैप्चर इन कैप्चर. इस तरह से आपने एक्सरसाइज F कंप्लीट किया यूजिंग प्रीफिक्स विथ बिफोर द वर्ड. नाउ सी हियर नो ग्रामर. व्हाट इज you know? Conjunction, I think everyone know what is conjunction. Conjunction is the connecting word or connector. Determiners make clear which noun we are referring to. Now those fellows out there will have the right to say to you that you can either speak nor write your own language. Here are those and your words using as a determiners. Now adverb extend the meaning of verb and communicating when, how, where and why something happened. See, look here example. I think too that I had never listened so carefully and that he had never explained everything so patiently. अब वर्ड्स इन क्वेश्चन. अब क्वेश्चन जी में देखो क्या क्वेश्चन है. इट मीन्स रीड दिस पैराग्राफ. विच आर द वर्ड्स दैट कनेक्ट द सेंटेंस. मतलब हमको ये देखना है कि ऐसे कौन से वर्ड हैं जो सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करते हैं. हाउ दे help you understand the ideas of the writer. Discuss your in class. So that is your discussing point, but here we can see the connecting word. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम connecting word जो उसको find out कर लो आप. Once there was a terrible forest fire. All the animal came out of the forest. अब देखो यहाँ and यूज कर रहा है, तो and क्या है, एक कनेक्टर का काम कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये आपका एंड एक कनेक्टर हो जाएगा, कनेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा। एंड स्टूड ऑन द एज ट्रांसफिक्स्ड full stop as they watched the forest burning, they felt powerless except for this human hummingbirds. The hummingbirds took what little water it could eat in its tiny beak and आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। एंड यहाँ पे क्या है, करेक्टर है। थ्रू इट ऑन द ब्लेज एज इट वेयर्ड इट ट्विंग एंड अगेन एंड water of the place. The other animals only watched, including much bigger animal like the elephant, which भी आपका connecting word है। तो इस तरह से now they told the human bird, what do you think you can do? You are too little and आपका use कर सकते हो in use. You cannot put it out. The little bird replied, I am doing the best I can, and that is what all of us should do. तो ये इस तरह से आपने देखा कि जो कनेक्टर है आप फाइंड आउट किया। ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है, इसके द्वारा हमें एक लेसन मिलता है कि हमें अपने पार्ट्स का काम ईमानदारी से करना चाहिए। रिज़ल्ट क्या आता है हमें उसके बारे में सोचना नहीं चाहिए। अब हम आते हैं नेक्स्ट ग्रामर। यहाँ दिया गया व्हेन वी राइट और स्पीक वी नीड टू लिंक आवर आइडियाज़ logically in the way that make it easy. When we write or speak, we need to link our ideas logically in a way that make it easy for our readers or listener to understand. We do this by using words that signals to the reader how ideas are connected and what to expect. The most common words used to do this are conjunction, article, determiners, pronouns, adverb and sentence connector. Now you understand what is conjunction. Conjunction are used to join two sentences together and indicate how the two ideas are connected. Here are given some example. The people came dressed in their best and were very serious. The people came dressed in their best, but they were very quiet. So in this way you can see here what is the use of conjunction and but. Now see here determiners, especially words such as this, that, these, those and both help us indicate exactly what we are referring to that day. Here word use that. Mr. Hamel had new copies for us. Next question, those. Those people were really saying thank you to Mr. Hamel. What? That and those. Both are determiners to you describing the particular place of that particular person. Adverbs such as lately, indeed, obviously, especially, clearly, and however help us communicate our attitudes, ideas, opinion, and indicate connection between our thoughts. Recently, all the bad news had come from that board, and then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall. So these are the description here, conjunction, determiners and adverb. Now see here the exercise H. It's very important. Circle the most appropriate word phrase with ब्रैकेट. इट मीन्स जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ड दिए गए इनका ये कहीं न कहीं सेंटेंस को जोड़ने का काम कर रहा है। ये आइदर कंजक्शन आइदर डिटर्मिनर्स के रूप में सेंटेंस में आए हुए हैं। उनमें से जो ऑप्शनल वर्ड है उसमें से जो बेस्ट ऑप्शन है उसी को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। अब आप देखिए यहाँ दिया है द सन्स मोमेंट्स एज सीन फ्रॉम अर्थ इज रेगुलर एंड पीपल टेक इट्स जर्नी थ्रू द स्काई फॉर ग्रांटेड. अब यहाँ एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस हो रहा है. नाउ सी हियर इन फैक्ट इन ब्रैकेट्स आर गिवन इन फैक्ट नेवरथलेस हाउएवर. what is the correct word? In fact is the correct word. People have always used to it regular their lives and livelihood. Now see here the second question. King in the first question you choose the option in fact. Now see here the second question. King Bikram realized that he was lost. He rode on slowly till he came to a tick, here, there, and where. I think there is correct. Maybe where you also choose, but there is correct. There he dismounted, watered his horse, and then. There, now, then. Here is the best option. Then sat down on the bank to rest. So what do you say here again? King Bikram realized that he was lost. He rode on slowly till he came to a lake. Where? You can use here where or there. So I think there is correct. There he dismounted, watered his horse, and then sat down on the bank to rest. Now see here the question number 3rd. During the Buddhist era, some stupas were built in Bhimbetka, and the region became associated with Buddhism. The name Bhimbetka. Here are options given. Therefore, indeed, however. I think therefore is correct. The name Bhimbetka therefore is associated with Bhima. The word Bhimbetka is believed to mean the seat of Bhima. Now see 4. The old man stared at his son in astonishment. The option is given here, however, although, whereas. I think however is the correct. So what's your answer? The old man stared at his son in astonishment. However, his voice trembled. It did not lose its usual gentleness. Now, see here the next. Now, see here the next question number 5. For many years, I wanted to become a sculptor. The options are given. So, it and that. So is correct. Say here again. For many years I wanted to become a sculptor, so I fought the feeling. But here are option. But now and but is correct. But it proved too strong. Now the options are given. Now then later. Now is correct. Now I know there is nothing in the world I would like to do more. Nothing in life I can do better. Now see here L. The sentence in the paragraph are mixed up. Rearrange them and rewrite the paragraph with appropriate linking words. So this is for your homework. You have to read the paragraph and arrange it properly. Now writing step by step. Here are given notice how to write notice. See here, discuss in class which of these could be the notice put up on the bulletin board on the town hall. Here are given some example. कुछ एग्जाम्पल आपको दिए जा रहे हैं. आपका नोटिस बोर्ड दिखाया गया है. इसमें 3 टाइप्स ऑफ एग्जाम्पल आर रिटन. द फर्स्ट इज फॉर द सिटीजन ऑफ एलएस. ये आपका हेडिंग होगा. इट इज़ हियर बाय अनाउंस दैट ऑल क्लासेज इज एलएस विल बी taught in German from tomorrow 10th May 1871 by order of the government of Germany. अब इसी पॉइंट को दूसरे में देखो कैसे लिखा जा रहा है. No French shall be taught in any state of the German Empire. All classes in Alsace and Lorraine will be in German. Henceforth, teaching and learning French is deemed a punishable offense with immediate effect. Signed, Commanding Officer, New Imperial Territory, United Germany, 10 May 1871. Staff French. All school Germans from now. German Confederation says 1871 May 10 will leave it. The teachers leave military will occupy peacefully. Now see, on the basis of this example, here are given a question to write a notice. Your school want to announce that student cannot bring food in plastic bag. Write the announcement for the school notice board. Give all the details of. क्या क्या डिटेल आपको देनी है नोटिस में. Who the announced is for. The penalty for breaking the rule. The date and the rules come into effect. Include date of announcement in the notice as well as the name designation of the person making the announcement. तो जैसे आपके बॉक्स में दिया गया है वैसे आप लिखोगे, ठीक है। नोटिस को आप डिस्क्राइब करोगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू राइट द नेम ऑफ योर स्कूल, देन ए कैपिटल लेटर राइट द नोटिस, देन आफ्टर हेडिंग। हेडिंग आपको बुक्स इसे क्वेश्चन से ढूंढना है। प्लास्टिक बैग शुड बी बैंड, दैट इज़ योर हेडिंग। उसके बाद आप देख सकते हो कि आप इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे। हेडिंग लिखने के बाद डेट आप मेंशन कर लोगे। फिर आप लिख सकते हो हियर इट इज़ हियर बाय इन्फॉर्म दैट ऑल द क्लासेस फ्रॉम क्लास नर्सरी टू 12 no one allowed to bring plastic bag with him or her. If anyone find with plastic bag, the particular students he or she will be fined Rs hundreds or more than 200 rupees or more 200 rupees. In this way you have complete your notice at last subscription ordered by principal at in this way you and your notice must be in notice board, okay। and you can also write, इस तरह से आप नोटिस को डिस्क्राइब करोगे according to your own opinion. Thanks to watch my video.